Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got for you a recipe that is very close to my heart because it's very easy to make and it tastes absolutely amazing. Ice cream is my most favorite thing in the world and this is the easiest way to make it. I'll teach you how to make an ice cream base first and you can add any flavor you want, but in this video I'll teach you how to make a Rocky Road ice cream. So let's get started. To make the base you only need two ingredients, which are 500 grams of whipping cream and 400 grams of condensed milk. Yes, you heard it right. That's it. Only two ingredients and your ice cream will be ready. Now whipping cream comes in liquid form and you need to whip it to incorporate air. I would suggest you do it with a hand mixer or a stand mixer because doing it by hand will take a very long time. Now you need to take care of one simple step. The cream and the condensed milk should be refrigerated for at least one day before you use them. They should be very cold, not frozen, not warm, but cold. This is the only thing you need to take care and your ice cream will be ready within minutes. It tastes absolutely amazing and is completely customizable. You can add any flavor or any essence or any color or anything you want. Now you need to whip the cream until you achieve soft peaks. You don't have to over whip it, otherwise it will become stiff. Now you can see this is the soft peak stage. When you lift up the mixer, it will just bend down. The peaks will bend downwards. This is the soft peak stage. And this is where you need to stop whipping the cream and I'm going to add condensed milk to it. I know you might be thinking about the sweetness of the ice cream, but condensed milk and whipping cream both are sweetened already and you don't need to add any more sugar to it. Can you see how gorgeous it looks? It flows so beautifully. I can watch it all day. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe for well-detailed recipes just like this one. Now I'm going to mix it, but before that I need to do one more thing. I'm going to scrape it down from the sides using a spatula. This is important because otherwise the cream that is left on the sides will remain there and won't be mixed properly. Now to give it a little flavor, I'm going to add vanilla essence to it. You can add vanilla bean if available, or you can completely skip this step. But if you want to make vanilla ice cream, I would suggest you add a good amount of vanilla extract to it. Now I'll mix it well until I achieve the soft peak stage once again. Please invest in a hand mixer if you don't have one already. I haven't tried this with a hand blender. If any of you have done it or would try it, please let me know in the comment section how it works. Now we've achieved soft peak stage once again and our ice cream mixture is ready. You can add any flavor you want. You can make Oreo, coffee, strawberry, chocolate brownie or anything. You can be as creative as you want. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Rocky Road ice cream. And for that, we need a chocolate base. I'm going to give this a chocolate flavor using unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm going to make a paste using some water. I'm going to make a thick paste so that it doesn't affect the consistency of the ice cream. To this you can add 1 teaspoon of coffee powder for a richer and deeper flavor. Now I'm going to mix it in until it's combined. The best part about this recipe is that you can customize it to your own taste. If you make it in any other flavor other than Rocky Road, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear it. Or even if you make Rocky Road, please let me know that too. Adding unsweetened dark cocoa powder will give it a chocolatey taste without increasing the sweetness. Now to add some more flavor, I'm adding chocolate sauce. This is simply thinner chocolate ganache. I've diluted it with some milk. You can check out my recipe for chocolate ganache. The link is given in the description and you can simply dilute it with some milk or even more cream. Now I'm going to mix it all in and then my most favorite part, I'm going to add a lot of dry fruits. These are roasted dry fruits. I roasted them in the microwave. You can even purchase the roasted ones available or just do it in the microwave just like I did. The best part about this recipe is that you can add anything you want. I'm adding chocolate chips. You can add white chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips. You can even add small marshmallows or anything. Cranberries, dried berries, anything you want. Now I'm going to take a spatula and I'll mix it well. I don't need any white or vanilla base left behind, so I'm going to mix it. You need to make sure you lift it from the bottom because that's where the cream is left without mixing properly. You can see how smooth and beautiful this looks. This ice cream is very creamy. This is not gonna be icy at all, and I'm sure you'll love it. Now I'm going to pour it in a freezer safe container, but I won't pour it all at once. And instead, I'll add some more toppings to it. I'm adding a little more chocolate sauce because it's never enough. You can even add salted caramel. It'll taste amazing with chocolate. You can even add more dry fruit or choco chips if you want, but I'm going to add another layer of ice cream now. My family loves the creamy texture of this ice cream as compared to the icy ones available in the market, and I'm sure once you try it, you're going to love it too. And now for the final touch, because presentation matters, especially during the video, I'm going to add more chocolate sauce, and I'm going to give it a marble effect using a toothpick. You just need to move it to and fro from one place to the other until you achieve the effect you want. You can easily make your ice cream look very pretty, especially if you need to serve it in front of your guests. Now I'm going to top it with some more dry fruit and more choco chips. You need to store this ice cream in the freezer for at least 1 day before you can eat it. I know it's hard, but trust me, it's worth the wait. And before doing that, you need to cover it with a plastic wrap to prevent it from freezer burns. Now if you don't have a freezer safe bowl, you can always freeze it in a cake tin or a cake mold. I'm going to give it a little twist in this one. You don't need to grease the tin because I know you'll clean it by licking it all yourself. I'm going to add some chocolate sauce to it because I guess by now you know how much I love it. But to this, I'm going to add crushed cake crumbs. You can use your leftover sponge cake, or you can purchase muffins from the store. You can even prepare your sponge cake using my eggless sponge recipe. The link is given in the description below. You can check it out. It's better if you do this in the mixing bowl itself. I forgot to add it then, so I had to mix it in the cake tin. You don't have to do this. Now before storing it, I topped it with some more chocolate sauce and cake crumbs. I'm covering it with a cling wrap, and since this doesn't have a lid on top, so I'm going to cover it twice to prevent it from freezer burns. Now it's ready to go into the freezer, and we'll have to wait until the next day. Finally, the wait is over and we can now unbox our ice cream. This looks so beautiful and I can't wait to dig in. Sorry, but I'm not a professional ice cream scooper, so this doesn't look very pretty while I'm doing it, so please bear with me. Our ice cream is ready. It looks so beautiful, just like the ones purchased from the market, but I guarantee you that it tastes much better. The texture is perfect, it is rich, it is creamy, it is very delicious. You won't be able to stop at one bite. Now you can cover the leftover ice cream with plastic wrap and freeze it for about a week. Now I'll show you how it works in the cake tin. It freezes perfectly well, but there is one issue. Since the cake tin doesn't have much height, it was very difficult to scoop it out properly. I would suggest you take a deep container to freeze your ice cream. But the taste is perfect. I would suggest you guys add cake crumbs. They taste absolutely amazing, and also add to the texture of the ice cream. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you try this recipe, please let me know in the comment section. I hope you guys like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click the bell icon. Thank you.